Ofila eso ana edru ewa attention TV. When him say fila ofila the entertainment, social issues and politics there. Me akosia sparkles me the babe some more ewa attention TV. Ya de so mu na we edwuma bi e de amai na ni na mu no on subscribe ya no subscribe e de amame. O share so no wasan so a share de apem so. O wadwentwe bi ana asem bi ana waja ewa comment section ho. E be kan fefefe asan so de edwuma e de amaw. Na ende the real funny face in some koswa him say okoda prison e mani koda sakatwe kakra e mani pie be bronya na so ne case no omo ajoine akọ ye manta eda ye nima ye komu ye munchire mu ebebro ensem bebre e kan seme ho ana me de be so mo e wo fila so e wa attention ti bebusia metwa me ho me basisia me da se paye se wonya brede twen ma metwa me ho e de e baye na me de ensem no e hyase dia de real funny face a ina yenim se ne ho nsem e ko baye wa Ghana mamu ha se ye ndie ye kan IGP era ye beka na kan apart from Setawale ene medical wa mkoda prison ye kasa IGP era ye bekan funny face e de aka ho na ne nsem ni na ekọ ba ne se bra ukọchroto Instagram so beku ne baby mama ene ne ex girlfriend aban ensa eka ni mo a wode no koto prison and the prison why ye jama na adwe mu kanu nti de ye mfa ne kosa Psychiatric hospital hono mo no ana ye grant ni bewa oba fie ma bro nya nso no so ebede bia ekọ fefefe ye hu se organize shows and the show no ye hu se oh ma wa fit now so court and join mu crack court asanso akache say on the 15th of February osanso embra court if you say court share ne da bia wo call ya na ono ani lawyer anti nyamba no the real funny face ekopie mu e wo hono mu ti ama court educate no etwa sheda akoshe 15th of February ye be remu na chese 15th of February the real funny face adodo na name no as children's president eni chemu e bakopie mu e wo court on 15th na me twaso dia be ma bakopa ono so wo Ghana memu ha say end o say when the entokwa no be ko ono ne celebrate na wanya ne ntokwa no be ko say ntokwa de end nsem de obekem bi o council na wonfo no so de an de eye wa wasem eje wa ojechileje then de be ma me kan wasem e Charles ni ama dodo na anim no Shatawale eden nsem bi abetu dwa say this year ye remu ye 2022 de ono de last year okoma false prophecies there then de this year de eye emo a ye kan say bloggers a wode nsem ebeto social media sem no e bia celebrate ne kan se we koda ne no anaso wanda ne no kra ne ntropoto ana oba be chiro e wo social media hwa so ama for so abehwe na this year de Shatawale say social media bloggers for the ayamuye the last year false prophecies for the dia na ne de this year so muya na ebusia ye koso Ghana memu ha say no emabunu mu bi de papa ya na wo say ye bom abaso ye papa emabunu bi Daniel Junior ne short name no DBJ say no talent manager any event planner dodo na nim no e Ghana ememu hase na we ananapa we o de koto ne Instagram page chere fans ambassador to Ghana excellency as if de machede bia neni aso papa ye de abecha na o de video esanso press so ebusia yenkohwe time na excellency o de ma fans ambassador to Ghana ha no say de achede ye ma abranti.
Hi, boss. How are you?
Fine, Ambassador.
So, Merry Christmas, Happy New Year, and I thought that because now you're in the football business, you have to be the boss and you have to have people listen to you. So, I got you a few things from France.
Wow.
For you too. Open, don't mind the packet, it's awful. It's handmade. Careful, there's lots of things in there. There's a few things in there. So that's okay. So they were in the shirt.
Oh.
So that's all the attire of a referee, right?
Yes.
So you can dress like a referee.
Wow.
I took a big one, so because it's hot here, so I thought you can, oh wow, you look pretty. Then you can actually whistle. Okay, blow the whistle.
Yeah.
If someone, and then when they're not doing well, you can stop them. But you've also got the yellow one,
Nice.
so you don't always have to give a yellow, red card.
Wow.
So that's to make you the boss of the whole football business that you're running.
Thank you so much.
That would be tip for me. It's not.
Oh wow.
As you know, Adidas is French, so you know I have to get you something French. I think you look very serious, and people will listen to you.
From the French ambassador to Tvgh.
Yes, Tvgh. Yes, Tvgh.
Thank you so
Keep up the good work.
Yeah.
Put Ghana on the map and your fantastic Ghanaian talents in football. Make sure that they carry on education. That's very important because they can be fantastic footballers, but football is not forever.
Yes.
So you have to give a good example that education is key. Is key because that is what happens after you are no longer a footballer. Or if you are not, if you're fed up and if you want to do something else, you need to have some sort of a plan B to fall back on, and the better the plan B, the best. So really, and thank you very much for what you do for them.
Thank you so much too, and it will go a long way, and I'll surely make you proud.
Of course you do make me proud. You do make me very, very proud. Congrats. Thank you. Thanks very much.
Abusiana mijna ensem no so e de atwa so de ende Prophet Nigel Gazy yodin sama betudwa na so we de enye enkomo hye eno so enye di eno so enye da ye da berabe eye futo de ma emma wosisuo ase se we oba wosisuo de ende hwe na wanko hye ezin ya ka se ezin ne ne de kata bebia ma obi ehu babia eno so eni ebia be ya atare ana straight dresser obehwe na nsasi hala nsasi na de hizim ne console minimum ase ekun na we ana de futuo ekoso ema yo wo na asawe ho se dabi oyoba na wankasa wugide se ho ye fa hwe na wanko romance school because Ghana mama ha se ko romance school wonya bema bia nwale mema so waba no so wo pe WhatsApp so woni WhatsApp de na romance sister na obeye eti hwe na omobia na se abayu a wesiso enkodresse to se obi a oko mission school na se oko romance school wo mema ha se na so wo ba pa the address na nka wo se fata wo ne se obe shatare e be yi wo shape e na e kasa to ya na ayi na se fufuo entwa mienu na de animu no so e ka se monfu so yi na so anka enkyerechire kakra samati ase na shape no bibia nti bibia so na emema no huma mo hu se enye Roman school na moko na so so awale no na mo pebi abusia megina na Prophet Nigel Gazy so e di esi na me ka wo se one was some sneda da aye na Tees boutique and cosmetics oton bibia bia ye nku den styling gel e den creamy and the rings watches and paboa bags and tade for any ekopie mo e wa black ma agape tarazo ba ko so na so esan so ya University Foundation or say on the day no ebebo na woni bie no ono so e wo ho papa pay ya ono so benya no e wo 0548302985 0548302985 fila o fila esuni emidi ene akosia spakos ma monhwa moniti